Sawyer. Sawyer, that's gross. Sawyer, what you got? Don't eat that. Is that a fun toy? Woo! Woo! So funny. Sawyer. Cuckoo. Never noticed how haggard it was before. Look at it. It's all twisted up. That is funny. We need a new one, I guess. Boing. Is that fun? Sawyer's favorite things: washcloths, plastic containers, and door stoppers. You buy them all these expensive toys, and this is what they're enamored with. Okay, buddy, it's bath time.